everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing. Some of you guys already seen this, but not everyone. And this I got from someone very special to me from YouTube, and her name is Lucia D. Thank you so much for this. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got. And this is from Morphe. So I got this set of brushes. And this is brings 4 and is for your eyes. And I have to learn how to use these things. Then I also got this right here, this set. And I'm gonna open it so you can see how pretty it is. So right here is the lip gloss, and the color is perfect. I love it. And here is the lip liner. Just the color. This is the lipstick. And here's the color. I love this color. It's perfect for me. It's like a nude, but it's a pretty pink. I really love this. And then I gotta show you the big one. So here is the big one. Don't mind Josie. This is my very first palette. Thanks to my special friend Lucia D. This is so pretty. Look at these colors. So I don't know how to use this eyeshadow at all, but I am going to try my best to learn. But look how pretty. This is beautiful. It's like I have an option for every single color. And she gave me the pinks because she knows I like pinks. But I love this. Lucia, I love you. Like, you are awesome. And I'm sorry I took so long to do this, but I was moving and I was packing, so I wanted to do this once I was already in my new place settled. I'm so sorry about Josie, she is so loud. But yes, this is what I got from Lucia. I love it. And this is the inside of the box. Thank you so much. Here the brush is open.